Wow, what a day, what a day, what a day. Tell me why I've actually forgotten one of these. I don't even know how I'm gonna make use of this. Anyways, we are going to do cleaning of this face. So first things first, we're gonna go in with our rooibos wipes, and we're gonna try and get the most of this makeup off. So today I actually wanted to start the ordinary skincare, and I wanted to see how that works for my skin. And yeah, so I'm going to be trying it out today, and I'm going to be using it for like a month to see like the progress of it. And then oh, how rude am I? Hi baddies. So if you're new today or you're joining the baddie game for the first time today, welcome, welcome. Hello little ones, hello. So yeah, my name is Nos Pure, and we do everything fashion and makeup, and today we are trying out the new Ordinary Balance set and want to see how that works out after heavy duty makeup. And yeah, I'm going to actually do my second wipe, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really a fan of these wipes. I think I'm gonna stick to micellar water because it's more oily and more nourishing for my skin, which is what I prefer. Because sometimes this makeup be like very matty, you know? So we gotta remove some of this with like an oil-based something, you know, not just like raw dogging it like this, you know? So yeah. Now that we've actually removed some of this makeup off, yo, that looks scary. Now that we've removed some of this makeup off, we're gonna go in with this product. So I really wanted to try this glycolic cleanser, and yeah, I want to see, it's a toner but also a makeup remover, I believe. So I want to see, oh my gosh, I messed it up now. I want to see how this formula works as well. So I'm realizing that actually it's just an exfoliating toner and not really a makeup. I'm sure you can, it's saying that after cleansing. Okay, so let me go get my micellar water because I won't be able to start without a bit of another remover. So we'll be back. Alright, so we got the micellar water, and now we're going to be taking out a cotton pad. Okay, let me breaking this with my nails. Okay. Yeah, we're going to be taking out at least 2 cotton pads to basically clear out some of the leftover makeup. I just love micellar water. I just love it. So yeah, we're going to be clearing out some of this makeup. Look at that. Look at how much was left over. Look at all that makeup. And then I'm gonna go in again. So now, because I've already basically been abusing my face with the removal, I'm gonna go in, because there's 2 sides, so there's like this rougher side and then the smooth side. I'm gonna go in with the smoother side. Ooh, so much better. Alright, and then after that, we're going to be going in with the first step of the Ordinary products. Alright, first things first, we're going to go in with the squalene cleanser. And so all of this, basically this whole beauty sets is for acne-prone skin. So hopefully this will help me out, and that's why I'm going to be trying that for 30 days. My hands feel a bit gunky, so let me open up some warm water. Smells very not nice. It smells not nice, but I guess it's supposed to get the job done. But it smells just not nice. Whew. Okay, then we're gonna go in again because we obviously have to double cleanse. How can we not double cleanse? So yeah, we're gonna go in again and double cleanse. So now we're gonna go in with the salicylic acid. It's 2% and it's a mask. I'm gonna see how that works out. Ooh, it's black. I like it. Let's see. Ooh, jeez. Okay, it's black. It's like black. Now I'm going to be washing off the mask. So this is basically a blemish mask. And yeah, let's rinse this off. Very moisturizing. It's actually kind of funny. So now we're going in with the glycolic acid toner. And we're going to put this on a cotton pad as well, because I always put my toners on a cotton pad. I never just directly put them on my face. So yeah, I'm going to use the softer side. And we're gonna pop that right open. So this glycolic toner is basically supposed to help with like dark spots and stuff like that. So, and we all know what glycolic acid does for your skin. So I know this is gonna be good. I'm not gonna lie, these products are very refreshing. So I've just finished up with my toner, and now we're gonna go in with the niacinamide, and it's 10% with a bit of zinc. And so this is also for blemishes, and it's actually a serum. And yeah, let's see how this one goes. Oh, this is very cold, but it feels so good. It feels so amazing. And I'm gonna go in like that, spread it around. Honestly, like to use less finger surface area so that the skin can actually be the one to absorb the cleanser. I mean, the serum in. Yeah, no, my face is burning a bit. It's like tingling a bit. Now that I've put on my serum, it's niacinamide. We are going in with the natural moisturizing factors with HA. Alright, so also because it's nighttime, I'm obviously not going to put on sunscreen. But also all the steps that I did are mostly recommended for the nighttime. So the niacinamide and squalene cleanser can be used morning and night, but like certain things like the glycolic acid toner, try and use that, and the mask like twice a week and like at night, because I can feel the tingle. And that is it, you guys, for my evening routine and makeup removal.